Could you help? It's my partner, Joe. He's missing. I don't mean physically, I mean...
Put your brain through a windscreen at 40 miles an hour, or let it fall 15 feet down a ladder, and life becomes a lottery. You may remember things, or you may not.
There once was a girl, o gan chwilfrydig am tirys ag anifydd.
I don't believe in God.
I know they're watching.
If we can get hit on the head and become a different person, what does that tell us about being human?
Could you help? It's my partner, Joe. He's missing.
I've almost got used to it. But not Gwenna. For her, it's the first time. Every morning is the first time she discovers that her life's been stolen.
They're watching.
It's my partner, Joe. He's missing. I don't mean physically, I mean... There's a part of Joe that's gone missing. His universe... And since then, it's a dead zone. I mean... What makes him him is...
Hello? I'm here.
No, you're not.
What's this? What's this?
You're not the same.
What does that tell us about being human?